understand it, but I like it. Hey, listen here. If y'all got a few more minutes, y'all come on around to the main office. Got a big old Christmas party set up. I got a lot to celebrate.
Yeah, we do.
This is the best Christmas ever.
Let's go.
Loud and proud. Merry Christmas, my little black and white buddies. And hey, listen here. Feliz Natal, Paco. Shh. Our little secret.
What? I mean, what?
He's known all along?
Well, it was bound to happen now or later. Hey, I love those.
Well, if he knows, then he shouldn't mind us crashing that Christmas party. Come on! My heart has not been so shocked since my mama and papa have surprise birthday piñata party for me when I was a puny baby penguin in South America. Oh, ay, caray, oh. Wait, where you go? Wait for me. And Feliz Natal. Merry Christmas.